Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. Today we are going to download Notepad++, a powerful text editor for coding and everyday use. Open your web browser on your computer, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you use. In the search bar, type Notepad++. Once on the Notepad website, locate and click on the download button. This will take you to the download page. Choose the version suitable for your system. Click on the download button for the preferred version. The download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Notepad++. Launch the application once installation is complete. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.